How to fix Toyota app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgo this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, you can switch the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store. You need to update the app to its latest version. Search for the app Toyota. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone Storage. You can clear cache for the app. For that, head over to the app Toyota. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Now heading towards last solution, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, you can click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're gonna get the pop-up. Click on delete for the confirmation. Once you delete this app, close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Toyota and download it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Toyota app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.